We believe that this system will reduce as much as 40% of our energy usage, and that obviously is a substantial amount of the university's overall carbon emissions footprint.
This innovative solar water project, I think, is a unique opportunity for the students.
So it's really cool to be on site today and see the skeleton of what this structure is going to be. Looking from the outside, there's not too much to it, but once you look at it from the ground up and you see each step in the way, you can find out how much technology and thought has gone into developing such an impressive building.
With the chilled water piping system, it gets connected into the existing plant room over here, you can see behind you. The pipework will run across this bridge here into the new plant room where there'll be a whole new header pipe system, and this is what you can see being fabricated here is these header pipes.
I think it's really nice to be studying at a university that really cares about innovation and trying to be at the forefront of these types of projects, because I think it allows us as students to learn more about these things as well and to get that kind of mindset from an early point on.
So it's becoming the norm for the engineering students that this is what you do when you do a construction project. You look for ways to bring in renewable technology, renewable energy and construction techniques that are more efficient, use less materials and have a sustainable life.
And what that means really is that as graduates of our university then, students are taking that knowledge they've acquired out into their careers and professions, and they're able to apply it in different settings.
I'm really proud to be studying at USC, as my ideas of what I want to do in the future is sort of being envisaged by the university, where we're building sustainable infrastructure around the place, that rather than coming to a big set of buildings, you're coming into an environment that supports what I want to do in the future and the surrounding areas like on the Sunshine Coast. We really want to preserve that, and that's what I'm seeing throughout the university.